I have around 14 plus years of professional journey, and it so my experience has always been into data analytics. So I had a privilege of leading some of the global teams, some of the main diverse teams, and also shaping the data and data analytics strategies of our departments. So the the biggest value what or the simplest value what we have to generate is to drive innovation and drive business value, right, so that it can succeed. So my career has always been into pursuit of excellence, where I had the opportunity of working in multiple roles that demanded cross-functional collaboration, strategic thinking, and a commitment to deliver actionable insights. So my whole career has been into venturing of the multiple domains. I have experience of working into supply chain, product, pricing, services, digital marketing. So every domain has helped me to use my learning for the next, and uh, always been hunger to learn more. So my curiosity to learn more has always helped me to take up the new challenge, to take up the learning, and skill myself further so that I can give back to the society, give back to our teams, give back to our community, right, in terms of developing them as well. Current role is managing marketing effectiveness data products. So we have multiple data products, and I'm leading those. So a typical day looks like trying to understand, catch up with our marketing teams to understand the business strategy, the goals they're looking for. Are our data products aligned to help business to grow in that strategy? Are we delivering the business value? So we do regular status check. Work with our engineering teams to understand the status of the current developments which we're doing and the new innovations, because it's equally important to innovate and using the data and insights what we have to contribute back to the business, enable to help them achieve their vision, right? We all are working towards a vision of a company. So we try and align ourselves as close to as possible, help business with more realistic and real-time insights, which they can utilize in the planning, in assessing the current situations, in assessing the current dynamic world, right? So world changes very fast, and after COVID, strategies are changing very fast. We are still figuring out the right ways, right? So it does require the data analytics department requires to be walking in hand with the business. Probably few years back, if you know and you agree with me, we were more of providing the insights and taking a back seat. But now data is the fuel which everybody wants to utilize in a best way. So data analytics works along with the business side day to day, and try and see how we can contribute, give them back the real-time analysis which can fuel up the strategy, and the insights can fuel up their KPIs what we are measuring and generate more value for the business.